Everybody, welcome to Property Chat with K to the Jizu. I've decided to record the video in a slightly different manner because I'm tired being behind there, sitting there and recording. It's very formal. I'm gonna try a different thing. Let me know what you guys think. But in this video, I'm just gonna go in a rant. I will just talk. And I was thinking after recording 3 video series here, Cosmopolitan, and the first one I did the review. The second one I shared my experience. And the third one, I spoke about the good and the bad Cosmopolitan. If you've never seen the videos, please take time and watch them. So in this video, I'm like, man, I was thinking like, if I didn't buy a house at Cosmopolitan, I wouldn't be where I am today. Like I wouldn't be interested in property as I'm interested. I wouldn't be investing in properties as I'm investing at the moment. I wouldn't be even building the backrooms. I wouldn't even believe in myself that, man, you actually can do it. You have the ability to do the property development, and I wouldn't trust it, because when I bought my house, if you watch the videos, you know what I'm saying. When I bought that first property, there was nothing. There was no tiles, there was no butlers, there was no there was basically nothing. There was no gate, there was no fence. All those things I had to do them myself. So in that way, I learned so much. I tried to for 4 years sitting down and learning and testing things in my own house and see how they're going to work. And then to the end where I built the backrooms in that place that made me like 70,000 a year. So what happened is I started off with, because it was a blank slate, it was clean. I started with the tiles. I'm like, nah, man, there's no tiles. I need to install tiles. I did that, but I went with my friends from Kukasi. They came, they told me that they can do it. Never trust people from Kukasi. Never trust, because people come with their own intentions and own motives, which we do not know, and they don't communicate. Some people, they come with positive one. They want to support you. They're excited for you that you bought a house, or you're building a house, whatever reason, whatever the case. But other people, they come in like, what the heck? What do you think you are? They came, they messed up. The tiles, they messed up. I had to remove the tiles and get somebody proper to do them. I have to go do the quotations, go CTM and all this tiling shop and see and compare myself, because I was stingy. My wife calls me stingy because I was financially careful. I didn't want to spend like crazy like that. So I put in the tiles, and I did not like the shower. The house didn't have a shower. I wanted to have a shower, so I removed the toilet, because the toilet was separate from the bathtub. I moved the toilet to the bathtub, and then I had a shower in there. That was the first project. Then we did the plumbing part of it, which was quite stressful. And then at the same time, because the plumber was there, I said, man, please install the tap and the drainage system for the washing machine. Then once those two were done, I was like, tiles are done, the showers are done. What can we do? Okay, did butlers, installed the butlers, find the quotation, I saved the money. I did it all for the learning process. And then I got somebody came to install. I was like, okay, cool. Now move on to fence wall. Fence wall, got somebody, did the quotation, bought the materials, what was needed. He gave me a list. He did the measurements and everything, and told me how many I should go and buy. And I did exactly that. I went and I bought it. And the gate, then I went and I did the garden and the pavement. And then finally I built those massive back rooms at the back. From there, I had confidence to build my mom's house. I have confidence to build my mother-in-law's house. I have confidence to buy RDP houses and convert them to multi-lets, which I'm renting out at the moment for big money, which I consider myself as a developer. I did now applications to get funding, to get sponsorship from the government, which I'm busy with at the moment. And when they ask questions, I ask them confidently. And then I made it even like invest in myself. And I went and I studied the property management course, construction management course, not property, construction management course. So I can know all of these things, because I'm more involved in the building part of it, the physical doing part of it, not just me talking about it, not just me reading about it, but involved in all of those. So basically, I'm saying to you guys, chilled like I am at the moment, and it's what? It's 11 o'clock in the night in Ghana. So that's 1 a.m. in South Africa. It's crazy amount of, and I'm sitting here by myself. My children are sleeping, my wife is sleeping. But what I'm saying to you is, every journey begins somewhere small. You start small, then you go big. That's what I'm saying. If I didn't start with the tiles, if I didn't start with the shower, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't believe myself like that. I wouldn't be creating this video about construction, property investment, all of those. So what I'm saying, I'm talking to you, look at my face. Are you looking? Let me move you closer. I am saying to you, if you have that interest, you have that spark of getting started in whatever that you want to start in, can be property, can be cycling, can be running, can be skydiving, can be piloting, can be whatever in the world. You start somewhere. If you don't have money to do it, go shadow somebody. Go be in that space. That's all I'm saying. And I hope this video will give you value. If it does give you value, let me know what part. And if you liked it, let me know what part of the video you like it. Like it, share it, comment, and let's see each other on the next one. So we're done with property developers series. This was the last one, the edition from just me, just reflecting after I recorded this video. I'm like, okay. See you on the next one. KG, I'm out.